So this is the before, and it doesn't work. Doesn't help you. So roll it down and roll it up. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is how you get rid of the old. You know, I'm replacing right now. It's a bit loose, so you just need your shuffle, like something to hold here. There's a lock over here, so there's nothing under mine, so I just have to get it up, you know. Yes. As you can see, it was over here, so you have to push it up. Yeah. Like you go inside, you drag it back, and you push it out like this. So there you go. So you are done with this. You just have to take the switches out, the locker here. This one you have to take it out. There's a bit of clickable thing over here, so all you have to do is just click it, and you know what I mean. Yeah. And here, just as simple as that. You just click on the link and check it out. And this one is just one. Yeah. You see over there? Yeah. You just click on it. Check it out. So it's all out, you know. This is how it is. As you can see, you have to just unscrew it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You don't need to unscrew this because you don't need it. Yeah, let's get it down. Yeah, once it's done, it just come up like this, you know. You see? It just come right up because it's not good anymore. You know how I did it? You just clean it up a little bit, you know. Damn. Okay, so that's all. That's it. Next, after we are done cleaning it, we're just about ready to install the new one. This is how it came. Yes, 22 pin. We are going to fresh it, replace it. So we are ready, and this is the OEM. Yeah, so you just have to make sure it's all aligned, you know. Here goes here, you know what I mean, like you see. Yeah, so it goes like this. You just have to go a little bit over here so that the switches could lock. So you screw it up like this. You just screw it up. Yeah, we are done screwing, so we just replace this. You put this back to the original place and just test it out. Yeah, it looks cool. Follow me. Here, and this place here. So let's get it done. One more thing I should tell you: you should understand the shape of the locker, just like this, you know, like this. So obviously you have to just put this down. No, not like this. Like this instead, you know, for it to fit properly. Just like this. Everything back to original places, you know what I mean. You try it out. If everything works, that's how we replace it. Everything is working, you know. You just have to, I took the battery off, so I have to just put it down before you lock it. You just have to make sure this one goes in first, like this. That's it. You're done. So as you can see, it's on. So I'm going to try it now. Okay, it's working perfectly, you know.